to everyone. Hope you all are fine and watching my videos, and you are liking these videos. You are liking my effort. And now today we are again having the same book. The book belongs to the Gateway Public School and it's grade 5 English book, page number 10. Its unit number is 1. Its unit number is 1 and the page number is 10. As we have recorded the video related to the syllables, and I have given you the clear concept how we can identify the syllables, how many syllables a word is having. Like word, the words are mentioned here: many, gentle, whenever, wherever, scarcely, never. Number of syllables: 2, 2, 3, 2, 2. Mention the number 2, 2, 3, 2. Tell you, as you know, many is having only one vowel, but y is a semi vowel, so this is a two syllable word. So they have divided ma, ma, and man, y, many. Gentle, as you know, e is repeated, that's why they have divided the e in two parts. Gentle, gen, 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 tl, little. This is two syllable word, as e is repeated two times. E is a vowel and it is repeated two times. E repeated three times. So they have said that it is a three syllable word. How it is a three syllable word? As you can see here, where wher, where f, e, v, f, eer, ever, wherever. E is repeated three times, so it is called the three syllable word. Next is scarcely. A is a vowel, E is a vowel, and Y is a semi vowel. But they have divided it in the two parts: scarcely. They have considered A and E. So it is a two syllable word: scarce, scarcely, ly, scarcely. As you know, E is repeated two times. E is a vowel and it is repeated two times. So, nev, we nev, never. Hope you will get the idea why they have called two syllable, three syllable words. Write the syllables division and number of the syllables in the given word. This is the activity. Words, numbers, and syllables, and you have to do it your own self. Like the student have done this. Syllable words are sunshine, flickers, through, mother, important. As you can see in the sun, U is a vowel, shine, I is a vowel, and E is a vowel. So, how many syllables it can have? It can have sun, shine, two, ending, this is the ending E. Two syllables word, sunshine. Next is flicker. I is a vowel, E is a vowel. So two vowels are written here. So this is the two syllable word, flick, F-L-I-C, flick, K-E-R, curse, flickers. Next is through. O is a vowel and U is a vowel. And I have told you this rule: whenever two vowels are written together, they are considered as one. So it is a one syllable word, through. Next is mother. O is a vowel and E is a vowel. So O is a vowel and E is a vowel. So it can be divided into two parts. So here it will be the two. O, T-H-E-R, the mother. Because two vowels are written here. Important. I am important. Important. As you can see, I, O, A. Three vowels are written here. So it is a three syllable word, and that's why important. So I hope so you will get the idea of syllables, why the word is divided in different syllables. If this video and subscribe my channel as much as you can, and please share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much.